Catfish, homies. Got my first rod.
First rod ever.
Yup. It's pretty bad. Unboxing. Already unboxed it for me pretty much. Oh, I said it. Ripping lips. This little 8-footer.
Taylor also got some braid.
Great.
Some high vis. So what rod is it again?
Ripping lips. 8-footer.
Two piece, obviously.
2 pieces.
Yeah, Jinx.
And impossible to open.
Oh yeah, that's the old label for the rod, the exact rod. Bada bing, bada boom, ba.
Amazon Prime, $58 shipped to the door.
Alright, we're gonna get this out of there and then show you the real magic stick. What do you think about it, bro?
I'm stoked.
What are some...
Nice and heavy. Got that nice little glow in the dark tip.
Oh yeah, that's for that night catfishing. Hopefully we hook one tonight.
They bubble wrapped one hook, so I know one hook's protected.
One eye.
One eye. On the toss, on the toss.
On the toss. Got him on the toss. Alright, so that's the old unboxing for the rod. Now we're going to zoom over to the Harbor Lake and try and conquer that bad boy. Alright, fish homies. We have pizza courtesy of Taylor, the homie.
Gang gang.
And we have a new catfish rod. Finally, Taylor manned up. Got a catfish rod. Now I gotta man up and get a catfish rod and get rid of these crappy ones that I have. I don't even know what to say, but they suck. But anyways, he got like 1 billion yards of braid too. So we are getting this dialed in. We got the catfish.
Yup.
We're getting some carp rigs within the next week or two.
Yup.
And the carp are gonna be slayed European style. Believe it.
Yup. Yup.
Alright, peace. Until we get there. Just got to the old Laker and Schnaker, and we already are having parking problems. What do you know? LA parking is retarded. Everywhere is like, you can't park here past 9, can't park here past 7, can't ever park here even though there's nothing else around.
Yeah. Last time we off-roaded.
Oh yeah, I freaking deleted the footage. We went to, what's it called? We went to Balboa Lake and all we caught was like a bunch of baby bass. Long story short, we left at like midnight and they closed at like sundown and we got freaking locked in. All the gates were locked. So we had to drive my dad's Suburban down like a grass hill through like a 10-foot gap. We had to finesse that gap. Yep, look at it, look at this. Look at what we have to deal with.
After 10, oh that's 2 hours, dude. Should we just park in the parking lot?
Yeah, no parking, blah blah blah. That sucks. I wanted it a little further, pal blue pig. Check out this swag pack he's got, dude. Show him the angles, bro, of how you can rock it. Yeah, you can rock it in the back. Oh yeah, swag. Oh, well, what you got? What you got? Little pliers. You gotta push them together.
Oh.
Those are the swag pliers. Yeah. This guy just became a real fisherman, bro.
Swag.
Bro.
Swag.
Alright, so we reeled in this pole. It was getting hit and the bait's gone. Bait stopper's still there, so I'm not sure what that means. But we were definitely getting hit. Alright homies, we finally got all 4 poles out. We got the old white rod, LT gray, with a yellow pop-up boilie on it and some pack bait under that. My bass rod right here, that has a piece of Jello flavored chicken from last night. That's what caught the catfish. Then we got Taylor's new rod, the old magic rod. And that has the same thing, a little jello chicken. Then we have the old black rod, no name, I don't know what it is, but it has the old red boilie on it with some pack bait under it. Alright, we're gonna chill for a little. Hopefully we get bit up. Check out that smokestack, that's dope. Oh, what? Taylor caught a little fish. We've been fishing here for like a couple hours and he just caught one on a Slim Jim. Yeah, he just caught a little green sunfish on the piece of freaking, what's it called?
Nice, dude.
I think it's a green sunfish. It's hard to tell because it's at night. We're gonna get a picture and let this guy go. Alright, the release for this little guy. The non-skunk. Oh, he's chilling. He doesn't even want, he wants more freaking Slim Jim. Well, watch where he goes so we can catch his friends. Later, little homie, little fish homie. Alright, so we got the old earplug bobber with a little slit shot. I think this is a little green sunfish. Come down there, little guy. I think it's a green sunfish. You can see like the white and the big head on him. Anyways, we're gonna get a little picture and then probably move spots. We're not having too much with the cats and carp, so we're having some fun multi-species fishing.
So release this old bad boy.
There he goes. Go this way. Yeah. You can see all the little minnows swimming around. I don't know if the camera can focus, but that's what those guys are munching on. And Slim Jims.
Dude, that's a pretty nice one.
That's the bait of choice there. Just a little Slim Jim on a little size, I think it's a 14 hook. Bada bing, bada boom. It's like 11 at night. Is that another green sunfish? Mm-hmm. Check him out. These things are pretty fun to catch. They hit hard.
They hit like little bass almost.
Oh, what's the money?
Right there by the fence in the little log. Show the log.
We'll let this guy go first. Oh, he gone. Oh, there he is chilling. He wants more Slim Jim.
Snap into a Slim Jim.
Snap into a green sunfish.
Sponsor us, sponsor us.
So that's like a little crappie cage I'm guessing they're gonna put out there, but we just been fishing the sunfish off it. It's like 4 feet offshore and like 6 inches of water, so we're having fun. Alright, I'm not sure what kind of catfish this is yet because it's pretty dark out. I just free lined jello chicken out there. I'm gonna grab hold of him, get my pliers, and try and get the hook out. Got this little guy here. I think it's I think it's a channel cat. But anyways, he's spiking me, so we're gonna let him go now. Right off the old doctor. So that last one was a little surprise. He was a little bit small and didn't know he was on there. Taylor's been getting some knocks, so he's checking his pole now. We're gonna see if he gets anything randomly like I did. We moved spots, by the way, and it's definitely paying off. No green sunfish, but well, one baby catfish. Oh, I wasn't even recording. I might have missed it, but Taylor just pulled this one in. His first cat. Oh yeah, look at that big old fat belly. He's a little tiny guy, but he finally got the cat. So we both got a cat tonight. And look at that, he's barely hooked, huh?
Dang.
Alright, Taylor got his first cat. It's definitely bigger than mine.
Look at that fat belly on him.
Yeah, hold him sideways. Look at that. Pretty sure it's another channel. They must be stocking them. But look how healthy those guys are. Alright, we're gonna get him back in there. You wanna say any words for your first cat?
I'm so stoked right now. I don't even know what to say. took you so long to catch your first catfish.
Yeah.
Fish in like 3 months.
And he caught it on the day he got his first pull.
Yup.
First pull today and first catfish.
Yup.
This is a good session for both of us. Yeah. Alright, let's let this guy go. Bye-bye, little guy. Here you go.
Hell yeah.
Hey, bro. Got another little baby cat. Look how fat that freaking belly is on that sucker. It looks like he ate a golf ball. We got him on the, I think I got him on a slim, oh no, this is a chicken still. We're gonna unhook this bad boy, get a little better picture, and then let him go. He's probably only like 8 inches, but he has a huge belly. Alright, we got one more. Look at the belly on that one. It's probably only like 8-10 inches, but that's one of the biggest bellies I've seen on a catfish. Well, I've only caught like 4 or 5 now, but alright, we're gonna let this guy go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here he goes. Here you go.
Later.
Alrighty, we out of there. It's freaking 3:30. I don't know if you can see the clock, but trust me, it's really like 3:30. Anyways, we both caught a couple cats. They were small ones, but we conquered another lake with cats. Still haven't got the carp. Hopefully, I think we're gonna go to like an Orange County lake or something next, try and get some more cats or carp. But anyways, oh yeah, we got those little green sunfish too. I think that's what they were. Yeah, new species for days. But anyways, yeah, the harbor park is super sick. If you guys want to try it out, I highly suggest it. We're both like running on empty, so I don't even know what to say, but we're just gonna go home and go to sleep. So later, homies.
Later.